Hi friends, good evening. Today we are continuing from the section which we have discussed in the last class. Okay, see, in the last class we have discussed to find the solution of a differential equation is of the form d raised to n minus d raised to ny divided by dx raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 y divided by dx raised to n minus 1 plus etc plus an by n that is equal to 0. Okay, now here the right side is 0. Now we are discussing about if the right side has a function, then what will be the solution. Okay, for example, so we have a differential equation that is d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 2 equal to 2y equal to some e raised to 2x. Okay, this is a kind of differential equation. The right part comes the exponential function. Okay, and here this part we can solve as usually we have solved the complementary function. Okay, so using complementary function we can find the solution of this part, and here the right hand side we have a exponential function that is e raised to 2x. So how we can solve this kind of exponential function which appear on the right side of the differential equation, that we are going to discuss today. Okay, so for this I am considering this part as f of t. F of t means this f of d means this is I will write as d by dx. I will represent with an operator d. So this I can write as d square plus 3d plus 2. So this part I can treat as f of d. Okay, now what I'm going to do is our solution will be f of d into y is equal to q. Okay, then y is equal to q divided by f of d. Okay, now if the function q is e raised to ax, then so you have to substitute this 2 here instead of d. Okay, that is the method. Okay, you have to substitute here instead of this d you have to substitute this 2 here. Okay, so when I do this problem, then you will get more idea. So our question is d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx plus 2 is equal to 2 is equal to e raised to 2x. So here this is f of d, that is d square plus 3d plus 2 is equal to e raised to 2x. Before coming to this problem, first you have to solve the auxiliary equation as usual that we have done in the previous class, that is m square plus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. When I am solving this, I will get m plus 2 into m plus 1, that is equal to 0, that is m is equal to minus 2 and m is equal to minus 1. So our solution is c1 e raised to minus 2x plus c2 e raised to minus x. Okay, so this is the particular this is the complementary function. Okay, so this we have to find out first, and to do the second part, this particular integral, okay, you have to write this as e raised to 2x divided by this f of d, that is d square plus 3d plus 2. Now you have to replace this 2. So that's the method. This 2 e raised to ax format, this a you have to replace instead of this d, that is e raised to 2x divided by, that is 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 2, that is e raised to 2x divided by, this is 6 plus 2, that is 8 plus 4, that is 12. So the entire solution, this is the particular integral. So the entire solution I can write y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is equal to c1 e raised to minus 2x plus c2 e raised to minus x plus e raised to 2x by 3. So this is the solution. Okay. Now here we have a question. In case this 2 when I am replacing with the d. Okay. I am replacing this f of d with the f of a. Okay. I am replacing instead of d this with 2. Then at that time if I get this denominator as 0, then what I will do? Okay. So at that time the solution will be different. So if you get f of a is equal to f of d is equal to 0, that is d replaced with a, I am getting 0. Okay, f of d, not f of d. When I am replacing this d with a, I am getting 0. Then the denominator will be 0. At that time our solution will be x raised to n by n factorial into e raised to x. That means you have to, this n is the order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation. Okay. For example, I can give you a question. See, suppose you are doing d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx. So minus 2 dy by dx plus y, that is equal to e raised to x. Okay. So here first of all I can solve the auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So when I am solving this, let me go to the blackboard. See, when I am solving this, I will get m is equal to, this is m minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. So m is equal to, m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to also 1. So as the root is equation, I can write the complementary function as, that is c1 e raised to m1x plus c2 e raised to, not if the root is repeating, then c1 plus c2 x into e raised to m1x, that is x. So this is the complementary function. Okay. Now what about the particular integral? Particular integral is equal to e raised to x divided by this d square minus 2d plus 1. So this term I am treat as f of d. Okay. I will replace this d by dx operator with a capital D. Now here the problem is, here e raised to ax format, so here it is e raised to 1x. Now I have to replace this 1, this d I have to replace with this 1. So when I am replacing that, e raised to 1x, that is 1 square plus minus 2 into 1 plus 1. This e raised to x by 0. At that time I can't replace this a with this d. Okay. There I have to apply the formula. In such a situation I have to apply the x raised to n particular integral is equal to, at that particular case only, x raised to n by n factorial into e raised to x. Okay. What is x raised to n? That is the order of differential equation. What is the order of differential equation? This is our differential equation. What is the order of this differential equation? Order and degree we have studied in my first class of differential equation, that is 2. Okay. That is x square divided by 2 factorial into e raised to a is 1 here, so e raised to x. So this is the, that is equal to x square e raised to x by 2. So our total solution will be y is equal to c1 plus c2x e raised to x plus x square e raised to x divided by 2. So this will be the final solution. Okay. So this is the method. Okay. When e raised to x will come on the right side, e raised to ax come on the right side of a differential equation. Okay. So let us go to the main board. Okay. So here I have mentioned the method. Okay. So here we have a question, that is d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e raised to 5x. So first of all I have to solve this auxiliary equation, that is m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Then I will get m is equal to 1 2, that is c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x. So first of all I got the complementary function, and then I have to find e raised to 5x, and our this I can replace with d square minus 3d plus 2, that is my f of d. Okay, so e raised to 5x divided by, I can replace this d with this 5. Okay, that is 5 square minus 3 into 5 plus 2, right? I am replacing this a, this 5 with all these d. Okay, that is e raised to 5x by 12. So our complete solution is, I can write as complete solution is, that is y is equal to cf plus particular integral. What is cf? That is c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x plus e raised to 5x by 12. So this is our complete y value. Okay, now uh, now if I am substituting this 5 here, then this denominator will be 0. Then what I will do? Okay, so that's we have studied. We can do one more example in that area. If f of a is equal to 0, then you have to apply this formula, that is x raised to n by n factorial into e raised to x, where n is the order of the differential equation. Okay, so here I have given an example. Here d cube y by dx cube minus 3d square y by dx square plus 3 dy by dx minus y equal to e raised to x. So this I can write. So this is in the format, if I am solving the auxiliary equation first, that is m cube minus 3 m square plus 3m plus m minus 1 equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. This I can simply write as m minus 1 whole cube is equal to 0. That is m is equal to 1 1 1. All the three roots are equal, right? In such a situation, the complementary function is, if roots are equal, that is c1 plus c2x plus c3 x square into e raised to m1x, that is e raised to x. So I got the complementary function. Okay, so after getting the complementary function, I have to find out the particular integral. Particular integral is equal to e raised to x divided by this f of d, that is d minus 1 whole cube. Here is the problem. When I am replacing this coefficient of this x on the term e raised to ax, this 1 I am replacing instead of this d, that is 1 minus 1 whole cube, that is equal to denominator is 0. At that condition, I have to do this equation, x raised to n by n factorial into this e raised to ax, that is e raised to x. Okay, that is what is the order of this differential equation? Order of the differential equation given is 3. This is the highest derivative, so order is 3. That is x cube by 3 factorial into e raised to x, that is x cube e raised to x divided by 6. So our final solution will be the sum of these complementary function and particular integral. Complementary function we have already solved, and here we can substitute this particular integral value plus c. So this is the net solution. Okay, so this all about the function e raised to ax comes on the right side of a differential equation. In the next session we will discuss some other function like sin ax, cos ax, and x raised to n. These all we will discuss in the coming classes. Okay, thank you.